Hey guys, it's Joe here with EasyAutoship.com, and we're bringing you our first episode from our Easy Network. We're just going to talk a little bit today about our origins, how everything got started, and where we are today. You know, it's a very simple type of industry, but if you don't know how this works, it could be confusing. This little humble abode that we call here Easy Auto Ship started from very humble beginnings. So, going on 7 years now, two guys, super talented, know how to sail, know how to work through problems, seen an industry that hasn't been changed in 50 years. How are we going to change it? Well, technology. Everybody has a phone, computers, needs a car, has a car, wants to get a car. How do we get their car to them? Log on your phone, you put your information in, we get your car to you. Now you're thinking, where are the trucks? I don't see any, because we don't have any. The way this industry works is we are your broker. We take your product, match it up with somebody that can ship it, bring it together, boom, get you from A to B just like that. Now, how did it all start? Two guys in Miami in a dingy apartment with a laptop and a cell phone, calling people from the Northeast to the Northwest, down south, overseas, you name it, we shipped it. Cars, boats, motorcycles, heavy equipment. If it had wheels, we moved it. Here's how to ship a car. First thing I'm going to ask you, what's your situation? Why are you shipping the vehicle? Did you just buy it? Is your daughter going to college? Are you going down to Florida because you're a snowbird? What's the situation? The number one sentence that we train our people here at Easy Auto Ship to ask every one of our customers. California. Yep, we do that. New York. We do that too. Oh, you're going overseas. We got that taken care of for you. Here's how we do it. We take some basic information. What's your name? What's your phone number? What's your pickup address? Drop-off address? The more details that we have, the better off you'll be when it's time to ship your vehicle. And then we go and shop it out to 10,000 of our drivers in our network. We make sure that we vet them, insurance is in place, and then we call you to let you know, hey, Mr. Customer, this is when we're going to pick up your vehicle. Now, on the surface, it's a simple process. It's nothing to stress about. I know you hear about this and you hear about that and watch out for this and watch out for that, but we take care of all those headaches for you. Why? Because we're reputable, we're A-rated, and we take care of our customers just like you're our own. All right, guys, so here's the deal. You need to ship a vehicle, we make it easy for you. Go to www.easyautoship.com. You need something to move quickly, you need to talk to somebody live, call one of our live agents, 888-687-3243. They're ready for you to call. Now, one more thing. Remember that little dinky motel I told you about? Let me show you guys something.